Welcome to the construction yard. Look at our hard-working digger, mighty tractor, and steamroller friends joining the fun. Vroom, vroom.
Whoa, what was that boom? Everything is shaking. Oh my!
Don't worry. It looks like a puzzle challenge has appeared. Can you help them find their missing parts?
Is this the right piece? Maybe this one? Oops, that's a silly fit. Clank, clank.
Keep trying, digger. Remember, we need to match the shape exactly. You can do it. Look at the tractor go. It found the perfect match. Hooray! It's a perfect fit.
Yay!
Yes! The digger finally clicked its piece into place. Ka-chunk! Great logic, team!
The roller is spinning with joy. You all are puzzle superstars. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun.
Welcome, puzzle explorers! Are you ready for a high-speed adventure today?
Whoa! Look at those fire trucks. Can you find the matching shadow friends?
Our brave owl firefighters are hopping into their colorful uniforms.
No.
Zoom! That red truck is ready for action. Everyone shout, "Go with me!"
Love you! You did it! Those heroic fire trucks are all lined up and ready to save the day. Oh, a mystery in the desert! Can you spot where the police car wheels belong?
Three, two, one, go!
Click, clack, snap! Let's put these doors on. It's like building a real-life puzzle.
Yay!
Look at those twinkling stars! Our police fleet looks absolutely fantastic.
Vroom! Watch them go! The brave police cars are patrolling the desert sands.
What?
Oh no! Huh?
Time for more matching. Can you help us find the ambulance missing siren?
Three, 3, 2, 1.
Beep beep! Our kind ambulance needs its wheels. Point to the right ones, quickly.
Steady now. Snap the ladder into place. Perfect. That fire truck is ready for duty.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hooray! The ambulance and fire truck are complete! You are truly master puzzle solvers. What an epic parade! Thank you for playing, heroes. See you next time for more fun.
What the hell?
Woohoo! Welcome back, puzzle explorers. Today we're helping our brave ambulance friends get back on the road. Look at those shiny wheels! They're just waiting to start rolling. Can you help me pick the right ones?
3, 2,
Drag and drop?
1,
Here we go!
go!
Click clack, let's match these wheels to the ambulance. Beep! Beep!
No.
Nope. I bet the wheels need to be square, right? They look so much cooler that way.
Oh, silly! Ambulances need round wheels to roll fast and smooth. Watch them zoom away with the panda.
Nope. Vroom vroom. Look at our ambulance go, cruising through the city like a total pro.
rescue vehicle. You are doing amazing! One last push to finish this puzzle. You've got this! We did it! Everything is fixed and ready for duty. You're a total puzzle superstar. See you next time. Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Today we are on a super mission with our brave police car friends.
Whoa! Did you see that? Boom! Things just got really exciting, didn't they?
Wait, are those puppies and a kitty cat driving the police cars? That is just too silly. Time to match. Can you help our hedgehog friend find the right parts for these police cruisers? Point to the screen.
Nope.
Oops, that piece is a bit too big. Let's try another one, quick, before the timer runs out.
Good job.
Amazing! Click! Perfect fit! Our kitty friend is cheering because you found the right spot. You are doing great!
Nice. Good job.
Ta-da! All the pieces are in place. These police cars look absolutely ready for patrol duty now.
No, God!
Nope.
Look at that real Norway police car go.
Police car.
Vroom, vroom! It's patrolling the city streets to keep everyone safe.
Designed for all terrains, from snowy mountains to coastal roads. It's a symbol of trust, peace, and modern Scandinavian engineering.
I think that Singapore police car is the fastest one yet. See how shiny and bright it is?
This is the Singapore police car. Sleek, white, and high-tech, it patrols the clean and modern city-state with efficiency and advanced technology.
And here is our
Sweden
final
police car.
friend, the Swedish police car cruising down the highway. What a cool blue and yellow design!
Strong and safe, it handles icy roads and city traffic with ease, representing the calm and order of Swedish society.
You are a master puzzle solver. Give yourselves a big round of applause, everyone. See you next time. Hey there, puzzle explorers. Ready to build our strongest friend today?
I bet it's a giant race car. Vroom, vroom.
Not quite. This is our hard-working digger, and he needs those tracks to move properly.
Oh my God!
Click! That arm locks into place perfectly. Great job, team!
What?
Look at him go! He turned bright green. He's ready for some serious digging now. Oh my god!
Whoa, he's got a smile! Maybe he's hungry for some dirt, huh?
Huh?
He's showing off his tools. Our digger friend is the most helpful machine on the site. Boom! Fireworks for our champion builder. You all did amazing today. See you next time. Welcome back, builders. Are you ready to jump into our construction adventure today? Vroom, vroom!
Whoa, look at those big wheels. We've got a dump truck, a digger, and a cement mixer joining the party.
Pop! Pow! Those fireworks mean it's time to test your puzzle skills, team. Uh-oh, the vehicles are missing their pieces. Can you spot the right shape to help them out?
Maybe I should try putting the giant shovel on the cement mixer? That sounds right, right?
Not quite silly. Let's look closer at the shadows and pick the perfect match together.
Let's try
This is an
one.
excavator.
Click. Oh,
It
the
has a
screen
long
says
arm
no.
with a bucket
Let's
to dig
keep
deep
searching.
holes in the ground.
You're getting
Excavators
warmer.
help with
Try the
digging and
other
lifting
piece.
heavy things.
Yes, that's the one. High five. Meet our hardworking digger. See that long arm? It scoops up dirt to help us build big, strong houses.
So strong.
This is a dump truck,
Can
kids.
you reach your arm out?
It carries
and
things
pretend
like
to dig
sand or
just like
dirt.
our friend here.
When it
Dig,
reaches
dig,
the right
dig.
place, the back goes up and
Now,
everything slides
let's
out.
find the missing cabin for our cement mixer truck. Does it fit here? Let's see. Ting! It's a perfect fit. Great job focusing, everyone. You are absolute puzzle pros.
Mixer truck.
The cement mixer is amazing.
This is a cement mixer, kids.
Big drum
The
to
big
keep
drum
the
spins
concrete
to mix the
soft
cement.
so we can build
When it reaches the
smooth
site,
roads.
the cement is soft and ready to pour.
We did it! All our vehicle friends are back together and ready for work. Boom! Fireworks for you!
Bulldozer.
You were so smart today. Hit that
Kids,
subscribe button
this
to
is a
join our
bulldozer.
next big mission.
It has a big
See you
front
soon,
blade that
super
pushes
builders.
dirt, rocks, or sand. It helps clear land and make the ground flat.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Get ready for a high-speed mission to fix our brave police fleet.
Whoa! That was a big crash! Quick, call the enabler! Wee woo!
Bye-bye.
Oh no, our brave police car lost its pieces. Can you help us put them back together, friends? Look at the shadow. Which part fits perfectly inside? Point your finger at the right one.
2, 1, go!
Click, snap, we did it! Look at that police car shine! Vroom vroom!
Yes!
Now, let's find the siren. Is it the round one or the square one? You're so smart! Great job matching the police van. It's ready to carry all the important gear.
Beep beep! Our van is fully assembled and looks absolutely brand new.
One last vehicle. This big police SUV needs its wheels. Can you count to 3 with me? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! You fixed the SUV. It's the strongest one on the road today.
Yes!
Look! The skeletons are dancing to celebrate our hard work. You guys are the ultimate puzzle heroes.
Welcome to the ultimate stadium showdown. Vroom, vroom! The monster truck and telehandler are ready to rumble.
Whoa, look at those silly faces. Did our telehandler just grow a smiley face? That's hilarious.
The engines are revving up. Can you count down with us? 3, 2, 1, go!
Go!
Look at that monster truck fly. He's soaring over the ramp like a pro.
Check out those shades. Our monster truck driver is looking super cool today.
Oh no, the telehandler took a tumble. That was a clumsy jump, buddy. Boom! Fireworks everywhere. The monster truck is the champion of the stadium.
Oops! The telehandler tried again and failed, but he's still trying his best.
What a race! You are amazing viewers today. Hit that subscribe button for more fun. And we'll see you next time. Welcome to the ultimate puzzle arena. Look at that bright pink mighty truck vrooming along.
Whoa, did you see that robot go boom? That purple truck is looking for a new home.
Our friend is stumped.
Oh my
Can you
God!
help us find the right shape to fill that shadow? Look at those silly dancing kittens! So many vehicles are zooming by, but which one fits the spot? Is it the green tractor? Let's test it out. Click, clack. Let's see if it locks into place.
Go!
Wait, the loading bar is moving. Maybe the tractor's a bit too small for this big job.
Now let's try the red truck. Beep, beep. Slide it right into the silhouette. Will it be a perfect match? Try the yellow one next. Sometimes the brightest colors are the secret key to our puzzle.
Oh
SpongeBob is here to help. He says the purple truck is the final piece. Pop it in!
Check mark. We did it. That mighty truck is ready for the road again. Confetti time. You guys are puzzle masters. Thanks for playing. See you next time. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Look at these 4 mighty road rollers. Vroom, vroom. Can you help us match them to their secret silhouettes?
Oh, is it this one? Maybe this one? Wait, that's definitely the right spot.
no, no, no,
Oops, not quite. That silhouette is a bit different. Let's look closer at the shape, everyone.
Nope. I think the big yellow roller goes here. Wait. Oh man, my eyes are playing tricks on me.
Don't give up. Look at the curves on the roller's drum. Let's try matching that piece again with a steady finger. Almost there, team. Focus on the edges. You are doing such a fantastic job staying persistent. Exactly! You found the right spot! Great job, super puzzle solvers! Welcome, puzzle explorers! Are you ready for a superpowered adventure today?
Whoa, look at that giant jolly garbage truck rolling in! Vroom vroom!
We have the jolly garbage truck, the hard-working digger, and the mighty crane joining the party. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3!
Zap! Zoe! A magical lightning strike just changed everything!
Oh no! They've turned into mysterious shadows! We need to help them get their colors back. Point your fingers at the screen and help me pick the right engine part. Is it this square one or the round one?
Maybe we should try the giant pizza slice. Wait, that doesn't look like a truck part at all.
Nice try! Let's slide that engine piece right into the shadow. Click! Perfect fit! Look at that big wheel spinning into place. Round and round it goes!
Whoa, look at him.
I think the crane arm goes on the top. Does it look right to you, friends?
You're doing amazing! Just a few more pieces left to make our trucks shine bright again. Almost there. Keep going, everyone. 3, 2, 1. Let's finish this. Ta-da! They look brand new. Great job helping our truck friends get ready for work.
Whoa, look at him. Yay!
Boom! Fireworks for our puzzle heroes. You guys are the best. See you next time.
Welcome back, puzzle explorers. Can you count these 2 rolling tires with me? 1, 2.
Whoa, is that a giant lemon? Oh wait, it's a super fast yellow tractor. Vroom vroom!
That's right. It's a hard-working tractor that helps farmers grow our food. It's getting spooky. Look at those skull tires. Do you think they belong to a ghost truck?
Maybe it's a candy truck. I bet it's filled with chocolate bars and gummy
Hell
bears.
yeah!
Not quite. That's a menacing monster truck with a giant eye. Stay back. It looks really grumpy. Look out. The monster truck is using its plow to lift that orange car. That is one strong machine. Uh-oh. Here comes our yellow loader friend. I hope they can be friends instead of fighting.
Such electric sparks everywhere. The yellow loader is brave, but it's time to drive away fast.
An exciting adventure! You all did amazing today, puzzle masters.